Hello my dear students, welcome to my YouTube channel. Let's learn pair of linear equations in two variables of 10th standard. In this class, we will study cross multiplication method. As we know, in the last classes we learned about the elimination method and the substitution method. Now the third method, that is cross multiplication method. Here I have written something which helpful to do the problems. Just observe the problem. A1 by A2 does not equal to B1 by B2. It is unique solution. It means the line intersects, equation intersects. A1 by A2 does not equal to B1 by B2. Next, A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. It is infinitely many solutions. That is, the equations are coincident or overlapping. In the same way, A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 but does not equal to C1 by C2. It is no solution, that is, the equations are parallel. We come across three types of solutions. It is unique solution, it is infinitely many solutions, and it is no solutions if the equations got the results like this. So after that, I have written something which is helpful to do the cross multiplication method. Let's observe this. It is x, y and 1. So I just do the cross here. So observe the formula what I have written below this. X here, b1 b2 c1 c2. So this C1 C2 continue to y also, C1 C2 A1 A2, and this A1 A2 continues to this A1 A2 B1 B2. Now observe the equations how it forms. X in the numerator, B1 by C2, B1 C2 minus B2 C1, it means this minus this, equals y divided by C1 A2 divided by C2A1. So equals 1 divided by A1B2 minus A2B1. So this is the method to find the answers under the cross multiplication method. Now look at the exercise 3.5. First problem, which of the following pairs of linear equations has unique solution, no solution, or infinitely many solutions? In case there is a unique solution, find it by using cross multiplication method. Here the problem is given. We have to find out whether the equation is unique, no solution, or infinitely many solutions. If the equation is unique solution, we have to find the values using the cross multiplication method. This is the question. So let's check the small one. X minus 3y minus 3 equals 0 and 3x minus 9y minus 2 equals 0. Let's start the answer. I will write first x minus 3y minus 3 equals 0. So this is a1 equals 1, b1 equals minus 3, and C1 is also minus 3. Here the second equation, that is 3x minus 9y minus 2 equals 0, A2 equals 3, B2 equals minus 9, and C2 equals minus 2. Let's start the answer after taking the values for A1, B1, C1 and A2, B2, C2. Now A1 by A2, that is 1 by 3. Now B1 by B2, B1 means minus 3 by minus 9, minus minus get cancelled, 3 1s are 3 3s 1 by 3. Here A1 by A2 is 1 by 3 and B1 by B2 is also 1 by 3. So A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2. So I am going towards C1 by C2. C1 by C2, what is C1? Minus 3 by minus 2. Minus minus get cancelled, here 3 by 2. It means A1 by A2 is 1 by 3. B1 by B2 is 1 by 3, but C1 by C2 got the different value, that is 3 by 2. It means we can write it as a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 but does not equal to c1 by c2, right? So here a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 but does not equal to c1 by c2. So as I explained earlier, if we got the equation like this, the given set of lines are parallel, they will not intersect. So there is no solution for this equation. This is the answer. Let's look at the small 2x plus y equals 5. 2x plus y, bring 5 here, minus 5 equals 0. It means a1 equals 2, b1 equals 1, c1 equals minus 5. Here 3x plus 2y equals 8, 3x plus 2y, it equals 0. a2 equals 3, b2 equals 2 and c2 equals minus 8. First we got the value for a1 b1 c1 and a2 b2 c2. Let's do the answer. a1 by a2 equals a1 means 2, a2 means 3, then b1 by b2. What is b1? 1 by 2. Here a1 by a2 is 2 by 3 and b1 by b2 is 1 by 2. Here a1 by a2 and b1 by b2 are not equal to each other, so not necessary to move towards c1 by c2. So I will write a1 by a2 does not equal to b1 by b2. So as we learned, if a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, they intersect each other, it is unique solution. So a1 by a2 does not equal to b1 by b2, so the given set of lines intersects each other. If a1 by a2 does not equal to b1 by b2, so it is intersecting lines, it has unique solution. As given in the problem, if it is unique solution, then only solve the problem using cross multiplication method. So I wrote the formula what we learned at the first of this class. So x divided by b1 by c2 minus b2 by c1 equals y divided by c1 a2 minus c2 a1 equals 1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Let's substitute the answers now. First write x as it is. What is b1? 1 into c2 means minus 8. Minus b2 means 2 into c1 means minus 5 equals y as it is. c1 by a2, what is c1? Minus 5 into a2 means 3 minus c2 means minus 8 into a1 means 2 equals 1 divided by a1 means 3, b2 means 2 minus a2 means 3 into b1 means 1. Sorry, a1 b2, a1 means 2, b2 means 2 minus a2 means 3 into b1 means 1. Let's do x divided by minus 8, 8 ones are 8, minus into minus plus 2 5s are 10 equals y divided by 5 3s are 15, that is minus 15 minus into minus plus 8 2s are 16 equals 1 divided by 2 2s are 4 minus 3 1s are 3. Yes, simplify again this. X divided by minus 8 plus 10, that is 2 equals Void minus 15 plus 16, that is 1, equals 1 divided by 1. Here let's continue the answer that x by 2 equals 1 by 1 equals 1 by 1. It means x by 2 is equal to 1 by 1 and y by 1 is also equal to 1 by 1. Let's start this. X by 2 equals 1 by 1. I will do cross multiplication. X 1s are x equals to 1s are 2. So answer for x is 2. So now take this y by 1 equals 1 by 1. Do cross multiplication. Y 1s are y equals 1 1s are 1. So the answer for x is 2 and the answer for y is 1. Let's look at the third problem. 3x minus 5y equals 20. 3x minus 5y minus 20 equals 0. a1 equals 3, b1 equals minus 5, c1 equals minus 20. In the same way, look at the second one. 6x minus 10y equals 40. 6x minus 10y minus 40 equals 0. a2 equals 6, b2 equals minus 10 and c2 equals minus 40. Now let's do a1 by a2. So a1 is 3 by 6. 3 1s are 3 2s are, that is 1 by 2. Now b1 by b2. So b1 is minus 5, b2 is minus 10, cancel cancel, 5 1s are 5 2s are, that is 1 by 2. Both a1 by a2 and b1 by b2 are equal to each other, that is 1 by 2. So I can move towards c1 by c2. c1 is minus 20 minus 40, get cancelled, 21s are 22s are, that is 1 by 2. Here a1 by a2, b1 by b2 and c1 by c2, all the three got the same answer, that is 1 by 2. a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. So as a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2, so the given set of lines coincident each other. It has infinitely many solutions. This is the answer. Let's look at the fourth problem. X minus 3y minus 7 equals 0 and 3x minus 3y minus 15 equals 0. X minus 3y minus 7 equals 0. a1 equals 1, b1 equals minus 3, c1 equals minus 7. Here 3x minus 3y minus 15 equals 0. a2 equals 3, b2 equals minus 3 and c2 equals minus 15. Now a1 by a2, that is 1 by 3, b1 by b2 minus 3 by minus 3, minus minus get cancelled, 3 1s are 3 1s are, that is 1 by 1. Here a1 by a2 is 1 by 3 and b1 by b2 is 1 by 1. It means a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, so not necessary to move towards c1 by c2. So a1 by a2 does not equal to b1 by b2. As a1 by a2 does not equal to b1 by b2, so the given set of lines intersects each other. It has unique solution. If the solution is unique, then only we can find the answer using the cross multiplication method using this formula. X divided by b1 c2 minus b2 c1 equals y divided by c1 a2 minus c2 a1 equals 1 divided by a1 b2 minus a2 b1. Let's substitute the answers. X divided by b1, that is minus 3 into C2 that is minus 15 minus B2 means minus 3 into C1 that is minus 7 equals y divided by C1 that is minus 7 into A2 that is 3 minus C2 minus 15 into A1 that is 1 equals 1 divided by A1 B2. A1 means 1 into B2 means minus 3 minus A2 B1. A2 means 3 into B1 means minus 3. So x divided by minus into minus plus 15 3 is 45 minus into minus plus into minus 3 7 is 21 equals y divided by 7 3 is 21 minus 21 minus into minus plus 15 1 is 15 equals again 1 divided by minus 3 minus into minus plus 3 3 is 9 1 into minus 3 this minus into minus plus 3 3 is 9. Then x divided by 45 minus 21 that is 24 is equal to y divided by minus 21 plus 15 that is minus 6 equals 1 divided by minus 3 plus 9 that is 6. Here x by 24 equals y by minus 6 equals 1 by 6. It means x by 24 is equal to 1 by 6 and y by minus 6 is also equal to 1 by 6. Let's do first one. X by 24 equals 1 by 6. Do the cross multiplication. X into 6, 6x equals 24. Then x equals 24 by 6. 6 ones are 6 fours are. So x equals 4. Then take the second one. Y by minus 6 equals 1 by 6. Y into 6, 6y equals 6 ones are 6 minus 6. Y equals minus 6 by 6. 6 6 cancel. Y equals minus 1. So the answer by using the cross multiplication for x is 4 and y is minus 1. This is the answer.